Welcome. This video tutorial will guide you through two methods for changing the left sidebar icon in your EazyDocs documentation. Let's go with first method, which is global change via EazyDocs settings. Firstly, access your website's admin panel, then locate the EazyDocs settings in the dashboard, and then navigate to Docs Single within EazyDocs settings. Find the left sidebar section. Customize the Docs section icon and Docs section icon open fields by choosing or uploading your desired icons. Before that, let's see what were the default icons of the left sidebar. Here we can see default icons in our documentation left sidebar. Well, let's change those icons. Let's upload Docs section icon and now upload the Docs section icon open. Now save this settings. Let's see our documentation page. Look at that. Our documentation left sidebar icons have changed successfully. Now let's go for the method do, which is specific icon change per doc post. This method allows unique icons for individual documents, offering more flexibility. Firstly, open the desired doc post editor in the admin panel. Locate the featured image uploader field in the right sidebar. Find the specific option for uploading the left sidebar icon. Select the chosen icon and set it as featured image. Now click Update. Here we can see our documentation left side icon has changed successfully. Thank you for watching.